Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V, the architect. Today we are looking at how to model a fence using Revit 2026. Open Revit, go to Families, then go to New, select Furniture System, then press Open. Change the unit, press UN, then go to Length, let's make it meter, and the rounding to decimal, then press OK, then OK. After that, go to Front, then go to Insert, Import CAD, then select your Autocad file, then the import unit, let's make it meter, and the position, let's make it manual center, then press open. Let's drag it over here. Let's make it 1 to 1, then go to move from this point to this point. Then go to create, extrusion, select rectangle, and let's make the extrusion end 0.25. Then let's make this point to this point also the same. Then press finish. The same, go to extrusion, rectangle. Let's do this rectangles. After that, let's select them, then press on copy, and let's make this point to this point, and the same over here. Then press finish. Let's make it shaded. Let's make this rectangle. Go to create, extrusion, then pick lines, select this line, then press tab to select multiple lines, and this one the same, this one the same, and this one the same. Then select them, press, and let's make these also rectangle. After that, select them, then press copy, and let's make this point, and let's copy them, this one and this one, then press finish. Go to 3D, and it will look like this. Let's change the extrusion end. Delete this one. Then let's select all of them. The extrusion end, let's make it 0.05. And it will look like this. And this also the same, you can select all of them, then go to materials, select and by categories. Let's make a new material, create a new material, name it whatever you want. Let's make it wood, then go change the appearance, replace assist, and let's search wood. Then select whatever you want. Let's choose this one, then press and finish, then press OK. And let's make it realistic. And here it is. It looks like this.